Kidney stones are a very frequent problem people face. What's the reason for their appearance? When the kidneys can't process the toxins appropriately, they cause crystallization of raw minerals or stones. There are many natural remedies for this problem, and here are the best herbal cures for eliminating kidney stones. Lemon juice, olive oil, and apple cider vinegar. This combination is considered one of the most effective remedies for this particular problem. Mix 60 milliliters of olive oil and 60 milliliters of lemon juice. After you consume the whole amount, drink 350 milliliters of water. After half an hour, squeeze the juice of half a lemon in 350 milliliters water and add a tablespoon of apple cider vinegar. After you've stirred it, you can drink it. You can consume this remedy every hour until you don't feel any pain anymore. Bearberry tea. Useful in the problems with kidneys and bladder, this tea can cleanse the urinary tract, reduce infection, and stop the pain. The recommended dose is 500 milliliters a day for people who suffer from kidney stones. Horsetail. Horsetail tea is another efficient remedy. Drink 3 to 4 cups of horsetail tea a day in order to calm the pain. Pomegranate juice. Another effective cure for this problem is the juice and seed of the pomegranate. Celery. Another vegetable that is helpful in saving the health of the entire urinary tract is celery. You can use it as an addition to a salad, or in meals, or you can simply drink celery tea. Basil. It has a positive impact on kidneys' health. Take 1 teaspoon of basil juice and honey if you have kidney stones.